So quickly, this is EFSANET, and there is a new update that has been on EFSANET for 3 days ago now, and I felt I needed to share it with you guys on Facebook and on YouTube. So in case you don't know, EFSANET is one platform where you can come in and sign in daily using the link in the description box of my video or my first pinned comment. You can sign in daily and you're going to be earning real dollars like USDT that you can convert to dollars. Then you can also earn gems that you're going to convert to dollars. So let me do the basic breakdown or the basic sign in for you on the main EFSANET page. So you just come here. Once you sign in by the link in the description box of my video or my first pinned comment, you come here, you click on this personal center, right? So when you click on the personal center, it's going to bring you here. You're going to see your UID. You see your UID here like this. You see your UID here, and then you see this place that shows sign in. So you come in every day here, you first sign in here. Let me copy this UID first. So you first sign in here, and whenever you see pop-up message, just come back. Then after signing in, then you now come here and you're going to click on this menu. You click on this menu again, you come down here, you click on Sports Center. Now, this particular information I'm going to drop after this, you need to do it ASAP. So once you click on this enter, you're going to see this frozen EFS. And I've given you a very detailed video on when this frozen EFS is going to be listed. And I also told you some things they are doing right now that will earn you 20 USDT that you can withdraw immediately. So you can see this is USDT. I have about 2 point something USDT here. And once it gets to 11 USDT, you can withdraw it instantly, right? And you know, USDT, you can convert it to USD. So now that you are here on this spot, you come here, you click on flash swap. So I'm just rushing over this because I know a lot of us have idea of this particular update. So you come here, this particular gems, you come there and click on maximum. Then you're going to swap this to frozen EFS, and to swap it, you scroll down, you come here, you click on confirm. That is one swapping. You scroll up again, you click on confirm. You say swap successful. Then you come here again, you click on this drop down button, want to swap to USDT. You click on this gem cash here to swap to USDT. You click here, you change this here to USDT. I have a very detailed video on how this is done, so I'm just rushing to this because it's an important update I need to drop for you ASAP. So you click on maximum. So I'm going to swap this 100 red gem to USDT. I'm going to give me 0.0149 USDT. Then you come down here and you click on confirm. And then you click on confirm again and swap successful. Now this is just number one. That is like the first update you need. Now the most important update right now that will end tomorrow is you're going to come to your main page. Like just come down to this menu here, this menu that is here, and then you are going to click on this 3 sign that is here. You click on this 3 sign showing on my screen, you click on yours, then you come here, you click on this game ENT. This is very, very important update, and anytime you see this video this night, just go and do this immediately because I'm going to be earning 20 USDT at the end of this. So it's going to pop up this like official note, ENT crypto game grand launch, whatever. So you come here, you click on I see. Now the thing is, you will sign in here every day, and every day you sign in, you're going to be getting 0.2 USDT. Every day you sign in, yes, you're going to get 0.2 USDT. So you come here, you click on sign. It's going to load the interface just like this. Then just watch what I'm doing. You come down here, you click on authorize, just as such. Allow it to load its thing. It will load just like this. And you see, I've signed in for today. So then the next thing you want to do is like come down to this your icon here, click on that icon. Then you come here and click on this invite. Now if you have been if you are on Efsane before and you're just watching this video, you still need to come and click on this particular new invitation link and share it. So it is when people now sign in through the regular EFSANET, and then they register, they do their normal sign in and swabbing, then they'll come again and sign in using this particular link, this new link. That is when you're going to be rewarded. So it's like you're earning on two different platforms, still on Efsane. One is the regular Efsane platform, the other one is the game ENT platform. So your referrals need to sign in on the normal platform, and they need to sign in on the game ENT platform. So you come down here and you're going to copy your referral link. I'm going to copy my referral link right now. I'll come here, I'll click on like share to Telegram, right? So that it's enable me to copy the referral link or referral code. I just came to my Telegram platform and I dropped the link. So this is how your link is going to be once you copy your link. Now, in case you are wondering that, okay, but I don't have referral, what am I going to do? I have a Telegram platform where you can drop links and you can get referrals. So if you're not set on my general Telegram platform, you are not doing yourself a favor. So join the main Telegram platform, then you're going to drop your own referral link and other people are going to sign up for your referral link. Remember, it's first come, first serve. So I just shared with you how to get your own invitation link. Is that you come down to this referral or you come down to this invite? So how does this game ENT, how does it work? How it works is you sign in every day, and every day you sign in you get 0.2 USDT. Then if you sign in consecutively for 7 days, you get 3.5 USDT. Yes, you get 3.5 USDT. And this is just how it works. It's as simple as that. This is how my invitation dashboard looks like. See, the first thing you need to do, like I said, is to share your invitation links with your friends, invite friends to register. Then each person will receive a certain amount of gem reward as you sign in the way I showed you. So you see, I've referred directly 111 people, and then I have 394 team members, and I've gotten 225.01 commission as a gem. So I've gotten one referral for today. I've gotten one referral. Then just look at this. Look at the rewards I've gotten. Just see them. So if I click on view more, you just keep seeing them. So Efsane is very, very real. I've withdrawn twice already from Efsane. If I click on my invitation, so you see those I've invited to join Efsane, or those I've joined by my referral link, and look at them, the registered and all that. So you can also join right now and start earning on Efsane. So I'm inviting you once again to come sign in to ENT games of Efsane daily and easily earn USDT. This is like the next biggest phase of the Efsane project. Thank you for watching. See you in that video. Bye for now.